Hi guys, in front of me Samsung Galaxy M33 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. At first you have to open the phone dialer and then go to contacts if you are not in this panel. Then tap the contact that you wish add this profile picture to, click on info and then select edit. Now click on profile picture and you can choose something from your gallery, camera, AR emoji or one of the stickers. Just by tapping on particular option you can select the picture, and let me choose for example the sticker, this one, and click on save. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied, so this is how you can apply contact picture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.